finally, Nillion will be listed in 2 days and 4 hours from now. Coming to their official website here, this is one of the best, crypto projects that have been trending for the past few months. The question is it a good project to buy or to sell? What are we expecting from this project, and how can you make fast money from this project? Before we can go explain more details about this and give you our own prediction, let's see all the social media handles to see how the project is doing. Coming to their Telegram channel here, Nillion, this is their Telegram channel. Let's see how many members they have. Upon landing here, we notice they have over 12,981 members on their official Telegram group, which means it's a good project. To gather more than 12,000 members is not, that means it's a good project. And upon checking their paid message here, we notice the token going to be launched on Binance, right? This is what they claim, right? And we also notice the token going to be available on MEX, which is one of our favorite trading exchange, right? And we also notice the token going to be available on KuCoin, Bitgate, HTF Global. Man, that means it's a good project. Let's kindly do our own research to see if it's going to be a good one to buy or to sell. This token have been in existence for like 1 year now. It's going to 1 year. It's not a new project. It's going to 1 year, and they're about to launch. So how are we going to make money from this sure and fast profit? So based on the information we gathered so far, including YouTube, we noticed they offer airdrops to their community member, which means they share part of their token that is not just been launched. They share it to all their community members, and with this, we are expecting something different, and we have done our own analysis. Coming to our Telegram channel here, coming to our channel, this is our official Telegram channel. We made our own prediction this morning, updating all our community members that another big opportunity is here again to make more money from the crypto market. In 2 days, Nillion will be officially launched on MEX. This is our favorite trading exchange, right, for future market. And based on our strategy, we are only expecting to sell at launch. Here is why. Why you are expecting to buy this project, we are expecting on our own community, we are expecting to sell. Why? Number one, coming to our exchange here, MEX, we notice this token is available on future market. If you check it, this is perpetual, this is future market. So which means this gives us ability to sell this token immediately it's launched, right? So with this, we are sure to sell this token, to go short on future market when the token is launched, right? But let's see why we want to go short. Coming to our Telegram channel here, this is the analysis we did, on YouTube. We noticed in 2 days, Nillion will officially launch on MEX, and based on our strategy, we are only expecting to sell at launch. Here is why. Airdrop holder selling pressure. Nillion recently conducted an airdrop of 7.5% of its total supply, right? Many of those holding would likely sell immediately to take profit, creating downward pressure on the price. What this means, most of the people they allocate the free airdrop to, immediately the token is launched, they would likely sell out just to make money, because it's free money. They did not pay for it, so they're going to sell out. And what are we expecting? Why this is a perfect selling opportunity? Early seller take profit of high liquidity at launch, because it was a free money, so they will definitely sell. Airdrop holders looking to cash out, they will all look for way to cash out big. So what are we doing? How can we take advantage of this? Because we know those airdrop holders, they will definitely sell out. In order for them to make fast profit from a project, they only maybe benefit from just that time. No investment is needed from them, right? So coming to our MEX here, we notice the project is already available on future market, and here is the countdown: 2 days, 4 hours, 33 minutes and 48 seconds. So what are we expecting? Immediately the token is launched, we are coming to this point here and click on sell, right? So this is one of the main reasons we are expecting to go short on this project. They offer an airdrop immediately the contract launch. People that hold those tokens, right, which they distributed to them as an airdrop, they will definitely sell out, and this will definitely affect the project, and it will definitely pull the project down. This doesn't mean that the project might not have potential to pump up. It might have potential to pump up over time, but based on our own analysis, we are 99% sure this project gonna pump up. So if you want to join us immediately the token is launched, kindly join our Telegram channel, reach out to me on WhatsApp right now. And also take note, we are doing this on Mex, right? And check the video description, use my link, open your account on Mex, get set to make money with us on new listed projects like this that have potential to give us more than 100x compared to you buying the project. I can tell you this boldly, it's not easy to win when it comes to buying new tokens. You can buy it more than 100 times without any possibility of making 100%, and this is one of the fastest way for you to make consistent profit in the crypto market. But let's not go into this, because when the project is live and with this analysis we have put in place, we will definitely come back and update everybody. So if you are ready to make some money trading the crypto market, mostly new listed tokens like this, kindly reach out to us right now. And if you pay attention here, this is their official website. Everything is already in place. Why? Some people are expecting to make money to buy the project. We are expecting to sell. So let's see who's gonna win. If the buyer's gonna win, all the sellers gonna win. Let's go. Are you among the buyers or you are among the sellers? I'm among the sellers. So let's see if you're gonna win, or I will be the one to win with my community member. Subscribe to my YouTube channel right now if you like what I'm doing, and also reach out to us on WhatsApp. If you have any question, join our Telegram group right now. This is not the only project we are doing this. We make sure we update all our community members on potential opportunity for us to make money consistently from projects like this on future market. I remain your friend, Ekan the Trader. I'm hoping to see you on my next video, which I'm going to break down step by step on how to start trading on future market. At the same time, compounding trading this new listed token, not just trade to make money, compounding, maybe targeting 100% in a month, 200% in a month, 300% in a month, 400% in a month, just buying it consistently. You have a lot to learn from us. Subscribe to my channel right now, drop a comment, like this video, share this with your friends to avoid losing money in the crypto market. Right, I remind your friends once again, Ekan the Trader. I'm hoping to see you on my next video. Bye for now. Let's go.